Hello people, this is a upright elephant ear. Let me give you an idea of how big this is. I'll put my hand up here. This is the first leaf that came out. It got damaged, but the plant continued to grow. And got another leaf coming out. When they grow, they come out rolled up like this, and then they flap open. This plant will get 4 to 5 feet wide, and it's a part of this big bed right here. Just checking in with you to let you know how big this elephant ear got since the last time I posted. Have a good day.